now is Allison Lee. She is with a local law firm here out of Northwest Arkansas, and she joins us to talk about the contentious topic of the Civil Rights Ordinance and mainly the legality of it, because there is a gray area there where the cities are saying one thing and the state is saying another. So first of all, how does that work? How is this going to pan out? I mean, it's my understanding that the state just passed a recent law that essentially prohibits the cities from passing their own civil rights ordinances that offer protections for classes that aren't already protected by state law. Now, the city argues that they are protected under the state's anti-bullying law. How does that work? Where are we going with this?
I think that the AG's opinion is pretty clear about this. I mean, the Act 137 clearly states that cities may not pass these ordinances.
So if there was a complaint filed and it was determined that, that was valid, and then somebody filed a lawsuit saying, I don't agree with this, and this goes to court, that's kind of what I was talking about as far as how that would pan out.
In order to attack that complaint in the way that you're talking about setting it up, they would actually have to attack the ordinance itself. So not just fighting the complaint, but the actual ordinance, saying that the ordinance isn't valid, it's not enforceable.
So if a lawsuit is filed, this AG opinion, too, will carry some weight as far as how it works out in court.
The AG's opinion kind of lays it out on how the Attorney General thinks that it would play out in court, what the statute says, what a judge would say or a court would say.
For folks at home who aren't familiar with the law, and you just mentioned the state's anti-bullying law, that offers protections for those classes, so the LGBT community essentially, but it has to do with students, you said. Talk to me about that and how that plays a role.
It does have to do with students, and it defines bullying, which is different than discrimination, that I think that the AG clearly explained in her opinion also.
Is there a way that these attorneys could argue it where they would get away with that?
I think that they may have to argue that since it's already mentioned in the state law, then this should not be too far of a stretch to just include it to the general public.
Do you think that would hold up, that argument?
Ultimately, no. I don't think so. But I think that it is an interesting argument, a good argument, worth a shot, but ultimately I don't think that this is going to be enforceable.
Allison Lee, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate your insights.